welcome everyone to Chef Life YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make colorful chocolate sphere. We can call this chocolate magic ball. So I will show you how to make this in easy way. So don't forget to subscribe. You will see so many videos I will make in future with chocolate and pastry and bakery. So don't forget to subscribe. Keep it in your mind, guys. So I'm going to use today 4 colors. We have orange, light blue, yellow and rose gold. So first I'm going to melt the colors. So I'm going to use microwave. First put 1 minute and you check. If not melted, you can extend another 10 second, 20 second. So until melt, you keep continue microwave. So you can see already melted. Look at this. Now I will keep for cooling down. I feel little bit warm, so you need to keep some time to get cool down before you spread the chocolate colors. This is gold color. I will show you yellow color. Look at this. See, it's already melted. This is my chocolate sphere mold. So before I put the color, I will keep in chiller 15 minutes. So this is I keep chiller to get cold, so you can put color easily and you will get nice shine. Let's put in chiller. So I will show you how to do this. Make sure you need to wrap with cling film, so moisture will not go inside. You know, if you mix with moisture, you can use it chocolate. So that's the reason I cover with cling film. So don't forget this. 15 minutes. We'll see after 15 minutes. Now I will take out my mold. So I will show you how to put the color. Let's see. See, your color already melt and it's nice. Let's see. Wait. Yellow. Now I'm going to use orange color, one of my favorite color. Dark blue. You need to move your hand very fast. This is rose gold, one of my favorite color. Okay, all right, you can see. Nice, colorful. Let's melt the chocolate. So I will show you how to melt and temper it. This is double boil method. So I'll keep water for boiling. Make sure your water should not touch here, only you melt from the steam, and don't go above 50 Celsius. So for the white chocolate, I suggest temperature for 50 Celsius. Explain you, this is the easy way to do chocolate tempering. I will heat it until 50 Celsius, then I will heat it down Celsius 29 to 26. So this is basically easy method to chocolate tempering. You can see my chocolate already melt. So let's see how much is the temperature. So I'm going to use digital thermometer. Okay, so you can see almost 55. So I'm going to take out, then I will add some chocolate. This is easy method for chocolate tempering. So you already see my chocolate already melted 55 Celsius. So I take out. Now I'm going to add some chocolate. Then I cool down, and so always try to use spatula. The chocolate not should go around the bowl, only keep in the middle. So let's we cool down until 26. So you can see chocolate temperature already 28 Celsius. So I'm going to molding now. I will show you how to do it. So you need to make full, and the second one you will make it full. So you need to move your hand fast, look and touch in this way, turn around. So you can understand when you see the chocolate stain like that, you will notice your chocolate is tempering very nicely. So now I do second step. So one time you will use scraper. So I'll keep few minutes in the chiller. You will see when your chocolate is nice tempering, it's not falling. So I'll keep chiller few minutes. So we will take out. Let's check our chocolate spear. It's ready. Already finished 5 minutes. Let's go. Wow, look at this. Wow, it's come very easily. Let's try to fix. Wow, look at this. This is called chocolate spears, chocolate magic ball. Look at this, all coming very nicely. If you do nice temper chocolate, very easy to handle this. Look at this, wow, it's very nice, shiny. So guys, don't forget to subscribe. Keep in touch with us. We will give you more idea, more new research.